I'll be on my touch shit side. Shit time. I'll be on my touch shit touch. Can you let me show you what you said? I'll touch it on my soul. Touch it. Let me show you your thoughts. I can't wait to get you on the floor. Looking good, hey. So hot outside. Like an O and myself. But just have to touch it. It's so beautiful. It's all mine. Because if the distance is really close. I learned some things. But she's nothing, just a little juicy when doing it. She's hot tonight. As long as I have my suit and tie. Tonight I'm leaving it all on the floor. You're arranged to 9. I'll show you a few things. All dressed in black and white, wearing that one. I like the bluff tonight swinging in the air. I'll show you a few things. I'll show you a few things. Tell you something about love. When we're in the swing of love. Love you, show you your thoughts. Give me something I love. Hey, hey. Let me take a good look. Oh, so thick. Now I know they call it fat. Now she's very sick. I hit my pickup. It doesn't matter. Because you're in my. On the show. You call it? I think they just cause you might want them to have it. Oh. I'm killing my feelings. Yeah. You're a classic, you're in my tonight. As long as I have my suit and tie. Tonight I'm leaving it all on the floor. You made a mess of things. I'll show you some things. I didn't press anything. Black and white, wearing that dress. I like love in the air tonight. I'll show you some things. Baby, show some things. Give me some love things. When we're in the swing of love. Let me show you your thoughts. Tell you some things about love. Hair. Get out of your shithole. All black in the white performance. White shoes on the black show. QLEX green card. Everyone. Sit down and enjoy the light show. Nothing at all. It seems this sex star has gout for having the best of the best. That's all there is to it. I'm resting. Running with my red on the throttle. Years of pressure. Tears on the clothes. Trying to hide a face with makeup sex. It's a problem. Tuxedo season. For no reason. All the saints for my angel. Alexander Wang. Me too. As.